How to make paper cut titles. Today's video is sponsored by the Mr. Dementia. Open the Fusion page. Go to the Effects menu, under the Templates, Edit, Generators, and bring the contour node in your timeline and connect it to the out point. Change it to version 2. Bring a matte control node, and change the combine to combine the alpha channel. Add a text node in empty space, write down your title, and set the font and the size to your liking. Add a displace node, bring a fast noise in empty space, and connect it to the green point of the displace. Increase the detail slider to 10, and increase the scale slider around 50. Select the displace node and increase the refraction strength slider. Once you are ready, connect the displace node to the matte control, select the matte node, and check the post multiply box. If you want to animate it also, select the text node, activate the keyframe button of the right on slider and animate it through the time. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, don't worry, you will forget it.